How to remove mods in Need for Speed. If you want to swap out old upgrades, here's how to remove mods in Need for Speed right on your phone. Let's get started. Open your Need for Speed application. From the main menu, you have to tap onto the garage. Select the car you want to edit. So tap onto the garage icon. Now select the car. You have to open the Upgrades, Modes or Performance tab depending on your game version. You can also simply tap on Modes up. Tap the car specific part like engine, tires or nitro to view install mode. If there is no direct option like remove, tap replace to swap it with a lower tier or default part. Confirm your choice. The old mode will be removed or swapped out instantly. And that's how you remove mods in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.